Crossfading between tracks inside of Apple Music is finally here with the latest release of iOS 17. In this video, I'll show you where to find the crossfade feature, how to turn it on, and then how to adjust the crossfade length to get the perfect transition. Before we begin though, you need to make sure that you're updated to the latest iOS release. I just made a video showing you how to update to iOS 17, and then another on how to back up your iPhone before you do that. So, make sure you check out those videos if you need to. Once you're updated, let's take a look at turning on Crossfade. Start by opening up the Settings app. Next, scroll down a few sections until you see Music, and then select that. Now inside of the Music menu under the Audio section, you'll see Crossfade. To turn it on, just tap the slider on the right to enable it. Once you turn Crossfade on, you'll then get a slider to adjust the amount of time that Crossfade defaults to while you're listening to music. This is the time that it takes to fade from one song into the next. You can play around with the time here or leave it at the default 4 seconds. A couple of good lengths though here are, when listening to music yourself personally, set the time to between 5 and 6 seconds. That's plenty of time to get from one song to the next without it happening too quick or taking too long. If you're playing music though at a party with your iPhone as the DJ, then you can set this time a little bit longer. Try setting it to something like 10 to 12 seconds. That gives the tracks plenty of time to crossfade if say one has a longer drawn out end, or maybe the next one has a long build up in the beginning. Again, you can play around with these times and find what you like, but generally these are pretty good times to use. Once you're done making your adjustments here, you can then close settings and then head back into the Music app and then start playing your music. And now that the setting is turned on, your songs will automatically crossfade into each other. And that's how you turn on the crossfade feature inside of Apple Music with iOS 17.